Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today it's spatchcock chicken. Stick around. All right, guys, so we just have a whole chicken here. We're going to spatchcock it, which means we're going to take out the backbone. So we're just going to follow along that line in the back and get the gizzards out and fight the flies. This can be a bit of a pain. I don't have the best kitchen shears here, but you can obviously use a knife, which maybe I should have done. So what that does is it exposes the backbone there. So we'll just flip this guy around just for easier access and go this way. And we'll save this backbone for stock. Or you can chunk it, it's up to you. But I like to save it to make my own stock. You paid for it, so use it. Definitely need to sharpen these scissors. All right, there we go. So that exposed, I kind of cut into the breast there earlier, so don't do that. Get rid of that. These little guys, those little guys, don't need those. Little kidneys. There's a hip joint. Looks pretty good. You can make it lay even flatter by snipping that kill bone, which is right there. Okay. And then we'll tuck these wings in. Like so. Good presentation. And we're just going to hit this with salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. Keep it real simple today. It's a weeknight, and I'm not trying to stress over dinner. I just think there's something to be said for simplicity, especially when it comes to rub. I see people put too much gunk on their meat, and sometimes it's kind of silly. Salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. I feel pretty strongly about that. But you do what you want to do. Go ahead and get the inside also. I didn't inject this, didn't hit it with any cooking spray, nothing like that. We're going to cook on the Kamado. We're going to run about 300 degrees. Pack that in. Let's go heavy. I want a good crust on there. I'll go ahead and hit the other side again. Again, salt, pepper, onion, garlic. Nothing fancy. We're gonna go. I think we're gonna go skin side down today. Tuck those wings up underneath. Provides a little bit of a barrier. Like I said, I kind of cut into that breast. Didn't mean to do that, but that's all right. And there she goes in all her glory. We're gonna let that yard pimp hang out on that glazed Kamado for a little while, and we'll be back in a little bit. Hey, what's up, y'all? So that chicken is about where we want it temp-wise. Right now it's probing at about 160 in the breast and about 175 in the thigh, and that's exactly where we want it. The 165 mark that you always hear about, well, it's going to carry over to about 165 by the time we let it rest for a little bit. So let's go see what we got. All right, my friends, let's see what we have with Mr. Chicken. I always say Mr. I don't know if it's female or male. I have no idea. I just say stuff. Man, it looks awesome. Good crust. Awesome color. Smells delicious. One of my favorite parts about this thing is there's only like $6. So let's get this guy on the cutting board and see what we got. Crispy skin, juicy, perfectly cooked, rendered, crusty, golden, and absolutely delicious. Well, I suspect. Haven't tried it yet, but we're about to. All right, so I got my help with me, this little dude. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, so we're gonna give this yard bird a try. I like to call them yard pimps now because that's what the old Cajun two-step guy calls them. So we're gonna get into this thing, see what he thinks. Kids are the best critics. All right, we're gonna get these yard birds sliced up. Keep on saying yard bird, yard pimp, right? That's what all the cool kids are saying these days. Man, that skin is crispy. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm gonna cut into this guy right here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that juice dripping down. Yes, sir. So we'll put that guy right there. Hey, you want a wing?
Yeah.
All right. I thought you might. You look like a wing guy. I'll get you a little skin, a little meat. Look at that bone came right out. Try that piece of meat right there. See what you think. And that one too. Yeah. I'm going to try the skin.
Yummy and juicy.
Yummy and juicy? We can be friends, dude. We can be friends. I'm not going to sell you to anybody now. Kidding. All right, let's get this other guy off of here. If you ever want to do one of these legs make a really nice presentation on a plate. You serve each leg to a guest. Pair it with some veggies or potatoes or both, whatever you want to do. And I already went ahead and got that wing off of there. That bone just pulls right out. Get you another piece, little man. Ooh, he says. And these wings, I really generally don't mess with them too much. I just kind of pull them out of there. How was that one? Good? Mm-hmm. Let's get into this breast. Man, look at that. That breast is really juicy, peppery, salt. You can see some of the juice dripping out of it. You see that? Wow, that's the breast. Mm-hmm. I'm not mad at that. Yep. Delicious. Here you go, dude.
Is it a whole chicken?
Yeah, it's a whole chicken. So what we'll do is take this guy, slice down and across, down and across, and we'll get chunks like that right there. Little medallions of deliciousness. This only took a few hours. Oh my God. So good. So inexpensive. Salt, pepper, onion, garlic. What do you think?
Yummy and juicy.
Yummy and juicy. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. We will.
See you next time.
That's right.